What up, guys? It's been a very long time since we posted a video. We mostly just post shorts. That's me, not him. By the way, Leo's back.
Hello.
By the way, if this video gets like a lot of views, then we'll do part 2 of that sleep. What's that thing called? That video?
Oh, that's gone.
No. The mystery sleeper.
The mystery sleepover.
Yeah, maybe we'll do the part 2 soon. But nothing really today. We're just gonna do some stuff.
I don't know. Okay.
So let's just be.
Maybe we can do part 2 now. So long.
Nah.
Yeah, I'm good. Let's do it.
Oh.
Because there's nothing else to do. So
we're doing part 2 now. So we're just waiting for Tyler to come home. He's at school. But we'll probably post another video. For right now, we're just chilling.
Yeah.
And please like and subscribe. Please. We're just trying to be famous. Please. We suck at YouTube anyway. Subscribe. You better. Anyways, let's work out. We're about to work out with this stuff. Damn. Just
is light.
I know. Oh.
Who is this? What is this?
Oh, that's a bendable thing. You can't even break it. Just try. No chance.
Okay.
Anyways, with the Mickey Mouse house. Come inside, it's fun inside.
I'm just gonna pin that so that
I wonder what to do. What do I have to do?
Who is the
No, that the batteries are too come out, leave it.
Can we see? Oh, these.
Yeah, I told you. Wait a minute, we have a real piano.
Huh?
Let's prove it to them. We have a real piano.
Oh yeah.
I forgot that. But for real, we actually do.
Whoa. What about this?
To prove it, look here. You guys think we lying? I will play you a song. Leo, come here.
Would you like to show them?
Come here. I'm not gonna show them. Maybe in the future. Anyways, record me and do not make the video.
Yep.
Like the song. Everyone has heard it. No, that is not it. Anyways, I'll just show you the flip. I suck at piano.
Come I try.
Wait, I know something that they know.
Hello.
Wait.
Hello.
How do I make you play it?
My turn. Let me show you how it's done. Hello. Bro, we're gonna try.
You can turn now.
No. I'll give it 10 seconds more. 5.
Anyways, I'll just try. Wait, I can show them I play trumpet.
No. But I want to play piano.
Okay. What should we play? Anyways, when you're done playing, we kinda suck at piano. What the heck are you playing? Wait.
Bye, guys.
Look at me. See ya.
You say bye to Leah?
Bye,
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Leah.
Peace out.
And he said you have to practice this week because the concert is next week. Leah.
Yay!
You must sing the practice tonight. Did you hear? Otherwise, it will be the only one that's playing wrong.
Okay. And I'll try that thing that I said I would play.
Daniel? Daniel? Don't they know your legs are short? She's sleeping.
Bye.
Tonight. Did you hear?
Peace out.
Or she's sleeping.